Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus 11-inch 128GB Android tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus 11-inch Android tablet is a versatile device designed to bring entertainment, productivity, and family-friendly fun together in one sleek package. From the moment you power it on, the bright 11-inch display stands out. With a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, scrolling through apps, streaming videos, or playing games feels smooth and responsive, making every interaction fluid and enjoyable. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, enjoying a movie, or giving the kids something engaging to do, the large screen ensures that everyone can see clearly and enjoy a vibrant viewing experience. Sound quality is just as impressive as the visuals. The quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos deliver a rich, immersive audio experience, filling the room with cinematic sound that enhances music, movies, and games. Whether it's the deep bass of a music track or the clarity of dialogue in a movie, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus ensures you don't miss a detail. Under the hood, the tablet features an upgraded chipset that handles multitasking, gaming, and everyday apps with ease. With 128GB of internal storage and support for microSD expansion, you can store all your videos, photos, apps, and files without worrying about running out of space. It's powerful enough for work, play, and everything in between, making it a true all-in-one device for the family. One of the standout features is its multi-window display, which allows you to open multiple apps at once. You can browse the internet while checking your email, jot down notes, or even watch a video, all on the same screen. This level of multitasking is especially useful for productivity, helping you accomplish more without constantly switching between apps. Samsung has also made this tablet family-friendly. The Samsung Kids app creates a safe, engaging environment for children to learn and play. With colorful, interactive content, kids can explore and be entertained while parents can feel confident that the content is appropriate and educational. This makes it perfect for households with young learners who want a tablet that's both fun and safe. Despite all its features, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus remains slim, light, and durable. You can carry it comfortably around the house, to school, or on trips without feeling weighed down. Its build quality ensures it can handle everyday use, making it a practical choice for families and individuals alike. Connectivity and sharing are seamless on this tablet. With Quick Share, transferring files between devices is fast and easy, whether you're sharing a video clip, photos, or important documents. Smart View lets you cast videos and media directly to your Samsung TV, allowing you to enjoy movies, sports, and cooking videos on the big screen for a more immersive experience. You can even stay connected with calls and texts right from your tablet, even if your phone is in another room, keeping you in touch with family and friends effortlessly. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus 11-inch 128GB tablet combines a large, vibrant display, powerful sound, multitasking capabilities, and family-friendly features in a slim and durable design. Whether it's for work, study, entertainment, or safe learning for kids, this tablet delivers on every front. Its combination of performance, portability, and versatility makes it an ideal choice for families, students, and anyone looking for a reliable, high-quality Android tablet that can handle everything from daily tasks to immersive media experiences.